Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Toto Chronicles. It's Christmas Eve and I am preparing something for dinner for the whole family. And what I'm gonna cook for Christmas Eve is a roast leg of lamb. So I'm not sure if every one of you have tried roasting a leg of lamb or whether you like lamb at all. But that's on the menu tonight, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to prepare a leg of lamb for roasting. I have here a leg of lamb that came from New Zealand. I prefer lamb from New Zealand than lamb in the United Kingdom for obvious reasons. New Zealand has the best lamb in the world, no ifs, no buts. Raised on sun-kissed grass, New Zealand lamb is raised just as nature intended, in one of the most pristine places on the planet. The natural environment of New Zealand, with lush green pastures, fresh air, and sunshine, offers the perfect conditions for grass-fed lamb, which is healthy, naturally lean, and deliciously soft and tender. For our Christmas Eve dinner, I am preparing a roast leg of lamb. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare and roast a leg of lamb. Let's go! So what we have here is a 2 kilogram whole leg of lamb, which I bought from the supermarket. And I'm just gonna open it. So what I'm gonna do with my lamb is to pierce it and then insert some garlic in, and then I got thyme. I'm supposed to find rosemary, but I can't find rosemary in the supermarket, so I'm just gonna use thyme instead. So I'm gonna get some thyme and insert it together with my garlic. Yeah, insert there. Insert deeply. Yeah, and then some more. Insert garlic in. Another thyme. So that's how it should look like. And then we apply some salt. Then we put it onto our roasting tin. And then we've got some olive oil. Yeah, we just massage the olive oil on top of our lamb. Okay, turn it over. I don't mind getting my hands dirty. Yeah. And then one final thing, we just chop a few thyme. You know, just spread it all throughout. Same thing below. Yeah, we just rub it there. Okay. And that is basically ready. Then we preheat the oven to 220. So we are going to roast our lamb. We put it on top, the top rack. Yeah. I place some water in the pan to keep the meat moist. And then beneath we will also roast some parsnips, potatoes and carrots. That's it. And then we're gonna roast this for 220 for about 10 minutes. Hold on. 10 minutes. Okay. And from 220 we reduce it to 180. And then for an hour's time. Okay, I'll turn it off first. Turning this off. Yeah, just put it there. And how much is that? That's about 65 degrees Celsius. Yeah. Let's have a look at our roasted vegetables. Yeah. We're gonna put it